Hello everyone, today we're gonna show how to use Cline AI to build a image to text extractor by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Cline, that is VS Code extension, and how it's helped me for my coding journey, I'll share with you. Here you can see autonomous coding agent right in your IDE. I use VS Code, capable of creating, editing files, or running, and much more. And I tested and I found an amazing result from this. I make a simple image to text extractor, and I don't write any code here. I'll show you the story. Let's see the story. Okay, there is the prompt, and it done everything for me. Just I write one line of prompt. Create an image to text extractor app using HTML, CSS, and JS, and I show you the result. What's built. You can see amazing UI it's created, and it's really cool. Okay, first I choose an image or drag and drop. So I choose an image. Okay, I choose this. Okay, you can see image preview. Yeah. Okay, next you can extract text, copy text, download text, but it's unable right now. Okay, first I have to extract the text. Here you can see extracted text. Here show the percentage. Okay, it's done. Wow, it's done so fast. And now I can copy and download. Here you can see I copy it. Wow, it's done, and I can download it. Yeah, you can see txt file. Okay, wow, it's open on Notepad. Wow, it's really amazing. I really amazed by the help of Cline extension and its work. So now I explore the file structure. Here simple. I make 3 files: HTML, CSS, and JS. Okay. And one more thing I have to show you. It use tesseract.js. Okay, it's a JS library. But below you can find see, create with using tesseract.js words engine. It's to create it's easily, and the JS you can see. First it get the ID and select query and much more. I'll provide this code in the description. Please check it out, and I'll provide a link that is live link that's work very nicely. Okay, I hope you visit this site, and you will also make this by using Cline AI. So thanks for today.